One more time, the gold has continued to rise in value, and yesterday the price created a strong bullish candle. A bullish candle that has gone above 4188.33. A day before that, making bullish breakout, the price continued to rise in value. We can see 4327.40. A daily resistance I have put on the chart has been also broken today, and you can see yesterday the price has reached that area of resistance. From there the price has retraced back down, and this is the wick of the current candle. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see how the price has behaved yesterday. The price from the morning has started to rise in value. We can see the price has problems going above 4230.66 on the 4-hour time frame, and eventually the price formed this bullish breakout above this area of resistance. This is the breakout I have shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, where the target was right here, and we can see that the price has reached that in the next two sessions of the 4-hour time frame. After that, the price did not stop. The price has stopped only at 4327.40, a resistance level I have put on the daily chart. We can see the price has retraced back down, but also the price was trying to move up and formed indecision candles between the buyers and the sellers. This was a strong movement. We can see that here because of the large wick on the upper side and also the wick on the lower side and small body. Eventually, we can see currently the price at this moment in this 4-hour time frame session has made a bullish break at above 42.40, and it's trying to reach a higher price level, so where the all-time high price level is currently around 4379.45. If we take a look on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price has formed this strong two bearish candles, a pretty strong one that has gone all the way to 4293.35, bouncing from here and then forming this bullish breakout above the daily resistance 4327.40. This bullish breakout indicated further rise in value. We can see the price has reached again this area of resistance. It is a 1-hour time frame resistance level 4371.73 I have put here on the chart, and now the price is trying to make a bullish breakout above that level. We can see that this bullish candle that has been created has closed above the open and close of these two candles, which is just showing a bullish trend that is currently pushing the price up, and is trying to move up to the higher price levels, which means above this area of resistance. What we can expect today? Based on this one, what I can see currently, 4473.96 is the next resistance level, but there is also some of the levels that we can expect that the price will reach eventually before that. Now, if I take a look here based on the Fibonacci expansions, I will see that the next level will be around this area. Just a minute, let's zoom out a little bit, just so we can see what are these levels. Currently, what I can see, this is the area where the price could stop again. This is a price on the 1-hour time frame. Just I need to change the type of the line, and then after that we can see again on the 1-hour time frame there could be also 4454.34 as a resistance level that we can expect. After that, we can see that the next that we can expect here, the level will be around this area here and an area here. So these are the levels that we could expect that the price will reach eventually. And then we can use this one also. Now we can see this is confirming again, and above that it will be this one here. This is what currently Fibonacci expansion is showing based on this one, a pretty long leg that is stretching and the retrace that has been formed. So these are the levels that I'm expecting that the price could respect, but this is something that we can only anticipate, but we cannot confirm that the price will respect because it is the first time that the price is reaching. Now what I can see, these two levels 4371 and 4387 are pretty close to one each other, but we'll see how the price behaves. Today is also Friday, so pay attention that the Friday, especially in the afternoon, it's very hard to trade, so it is the best to stay out of the market. This is my idea usually on a Friday in the afternoon and also on a Monday, but today is a Friday, so I like to stay away because the traders get out from their trades, log their profits, so this could also trigger the movement in one of the directions that is not in line with technical analysis. So pay attention to that, and also it is the best to wait until the market reacts around these resistance levels, these support levels. When they confirm those, wait for the breakout, like I have mentioned, just like this example here and yesterday on the 4-hour time frame. Wait until the price makes a move when the price makes a bullish breakout or bearish breakout, then follow the market. It is the best to follow. That means the majority of the market movement will move in that direction, so there is higher chance to be profitable on that trade. So for now, I'm still bullish oriented, but for now we can see that this resistance level is being tested for the second time, which needs to be broken in order to allow the price to move to the higher price levels. That's all for today. If you would like to receive the updates, which means bullish and bearish breakouts, feel free to join the premium analysis and receive these updates like I have sent yesterday to the traders for this bullish breakout that has been formed on the 4-hour time frame, like in this example here. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.